morning everyone. I'm Dr. Nikita Lad Patel. I'm the Chief IVF Consultant at Apollo Fertility, Navi Mumbai. As we're wrapping this year 2025, I want to discuss an interesting case which we had in the year 2025, wherein I had a patient with zero sperm count, and the couple came to us about 2 years back, wherein I did an IVF ICSI and TISA with the husband, and we got his sperms through TISA. We did the ICSI and we gave her one healthy child. She was 2 years old. After 2 years, they came back for a second transfer where we had frozen her embryos. We transferred 2 good blasts, and now she's pregnant with twins again. So we have in one cycle with zero sperm count with one TISA, we could give this patient 3 babies, and what more could be happy and fulfill for us. This year was wonderful. I hope everyone has a great new year. Wishing everybody a happy new year, a prosperous new year. Thank you.